welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently on a trip to America, we flew from one of the busiest airports in the world, LAX International Airport. Given this, we allowed ourselves ample amount of time to get to the airport and to navigate through it just so we wouldn't miss our flight. Firstly, the airport is known for its own traffic jams, so it is wise to allocate extra time to reach the terminal, which we did, and we were glad we did in the end. Once we arrived at our terminal, we headed to the check-in screens to locate our counter. After a short wait, we were able to drop off our bags and we were ready for our flight with Qantas. Next up, we proceeded to TSA for baggage scans. Thankfully, this process was a lot quicker compared to our previous experiences. Stepping into the main area of LAX Airport, I was pleasantly surprised by how modern it was. There was a large screen that displayed all our flight statuses. Around this area as well, there was plenty of shopping to choose from, including duty-free and high-end designer stores such as Gucci and Bulgari. With a bit of time on our hands, we decided to sit down for a meal. The upper level had a restaurant, while underneath there was a food court with a huge range. We opted for Panda Express, despite the line. And I was quite happy with my dinner. It tasted a lot better than it looked. After dinner, it was time to explore the facilities and to see what the airport had to offer. It was very easy to navigate around because of all the clear signage. The airport facilities include free Wi-Fi, all the major lounges, vending machines for both snacks and souvenirs, charging stations and restrooms. I also noticed that all the gates were automated, so I knew boarding later would be a breeze. Now it's time for us to locate our gate to prepare for boarding. All in all, I actually really enjoyed LAX Airport. It seemed to have everything we needed before our flight. We really hope you enjoyed watching, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our travel experiences. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we really look forward to seeing you in our next video.